Alright guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and if you are very new to my channel or you are coming across this video for the very first time, this is Zion Hub Logistics, where we get to talk about business, most especially mini importation. So do you know that you can actually buy RMB assets for today at your bank rate? Do you know that you can buy as low as 79 naira per RMB? You know, these days we have been finding it very difficult to buy RMB as much as we can, just to do our mini importation journey. Of course, we have been using different exchangers, buying from them at a black market rate, which is not encouraging. All right, so if you find yourself in this category of people that buys RMB at black market rates, and you have been finding a way to just buy it yourself, while you can just fund you have been looking for a website to fund your Alipay account yourself, so you'll be able to pay your supplier yourself, guys, you are the right place. So if you are interested in doing all of this yourself, this will be a practical video for you, and I will encourage you to watch this video till the very end, so you'll be able to do this yourself without the help of anybody. Guys, trust me when I say you'll be able to do this yourself. This will be a lifetime practical that you'll be getting from me today. I will explain into details on how you are going to get this fixed in one time. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as you are watching this video, kindly hit that subscription button so you can get more of my content, and you can get more of our video whenever we upload videos, so YouTube can notify you. And also like our video, share it with some people that you know that this video might be of help to them. And if you want to join our classes, I'll be linking the group classes below this description and my number. So without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. So I click on my Chrome browser, which is Safari right here. So I click on the website. So I go on this website, and I'll be doing this a very practical one. And you can see right here that the first option I have is home, while the second one is products, while I have the third one as search, and the fourth one is contact, the fifth one is my account. All right, so in the very first one, let's just check on my contact first, my account first. So the very first thing you need to do is to log in. If you haven't created an account before, I will just there will be video of how to create an account. I think I've already did a video concerning that. Just click on my bio or the description of this video to watch a step-by-step guide on how to create a video on this website. All right, so all what I need to do now is just to log in with my account. So right here, I will input my account here. So once I input my account here, I will just log in directly because I've already gotten an account with them. And what I'll be doing, I'll also going to be making a purchase on this website today to show you that this is actually working, guys. It is working. So I input my password. So I click on login, guys. So let me save it. With this, you can see, let me go back to my account. You can see that it has logged me in directly. So what I need to do next to just click on this search. So once I click on search, it takes me to where you get to see what is trending now on the website. So I just need to click on paying service. All right, now these are the variety of RMB that you can purchase with this website. If you want to purchase 1,000 or different sort of amounts that you wanted to buy, this is where to choose it. So I'll be buying 100 RMB for today. So you can see right here that they are going to be charging us $14.82 just for 100 RMB. All right, we are good to go with that. So you need to select next. So you click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, you see something like sources. So once I click on it, you see sources. You can see right here. So the next thing where it's going to take you to is where you are going to input your details. All right, so what you need to get done here is to select the account you want to buy the RMB to. While you can see an arrow here, you click on it, select the account you want to buy the RMB to. So once, let me just click on it. So I click on it. Clicking on it will take you here. So all what you need to do is just to select the account you want to fund. So if you want to add a new account, you click on add. So once you click on add, it's going to take you to where you are going to add the account you want them to fund for you. So you input your name and the Alipay account. So you select products. Let me just do that right now. So I click on add. Then you input the account, the Alipay account you want them to fund, as I said, and the name on the account, and you choose the products here as Alipay. So once you have been able to do that, you click on add. So once you add then you select. So I select the account I want to fund, so I click on select. So the next thing you need to do here is to click on your information. You need to click on the contact information where they are going to contact you should in case there is any promotion or all that. All right, so once you are done with that step, all what you need to do now is to click on pay. So if you have a discount code, you can easily input your discount code by clicking on that fill in arrow. You fill in the arrow. If you need a discount code, just find a way to the comment section, just comment a discount code, and I'll tell you what next to do, because I normally know when there is a discount code, because I have one of my friend as their staff, one of the Vpayfast staff as my friend. So we do chat on WeChat. So he is the one giving me. So that one aside, guys. So the next thing you need to do now is to click on pay. All right. So I click on pay. So clicking on pay will take me here. Okay. So it's going to take us to the payment gateway, guys. So with this, we are paying, don't forget we are buying 100 RMB and they are charging us 14.82 cents, which is dollars. Okay, now here is where some people miss it, guys. I don't want you to miss it here. Now these are different payment options you can use. If you have, some people have difficulties in this area. If you're having any type of difficulties in this area, because there are ways to go about it, so don't get it mixed up, guys. So now the next thing I want you to take note, the next thing, which is the fee. They are going to be charging us extra 1.04 cents, which is dollars. Okay, $1.04. But don't worry, there's a way to go about it. I will still be doing the calculation for you. We are still good. We are still at the right side, guys. So all what you need to do next is to click on pay now, which we've already accepted that, okay, we are okay with the prices. Now the next thing you need to do now is your debit card, which I told you that you are going to be buying at your bank rates. Don't forget, guys. So here we have to pay with our card. Wait, and it's going to take you to your payment gateway where you are going to be making payments. They are going to send an OTP to the number you used to register. So you need to have this in mind before even going for any other options, guys. So here is the number that I used to register, and I'll change from this token to OTP. So they are going to send the code right now. I click on continue while my phone here is with me. I'm waiting for the code to arrive right here. You can see that they are charging me $15.86. All right, I got the code. So the next thing I need to do now is to input this code. So 57517 then 151. Okay, so once you are done with that, all what you need to do is to click on submit. Okay, you can see right here that the payment has been successful. Okay, now you can see it. Now don't do a mistake. Okay, don't do a mistake. There are things I need to show you now. Order. Let me go to, I click on this my order. You can see it on my screen right here. So I click on my, so guys, you can see right here that the order has already been finished. You can check this date right now. You can see these dates, and once you see these dates, you confirm that I'm recording this video at this very date. So now let's quickly do a very simple mathematics on, I told you from the beginning of this video that we are going to be calculating how much we are buying this RMB directly from our bank. Okay, now I will show you my debit alert. They charged me 7,994 naira. All right, you can see it here. You can see the date, 15th of October 2022. Okay, let me now take you back to my email address to confirm this transaction. So if you are confused with this amount, so let me go to my email now. So guys, you can see that this is debited means 7,994 naira. All right, let's quickly do a simple mathematics. Okay, now you will this is the, sorry about that, I'm having a very slight a cough. So now this is 7,994 naira, which they debited us for just 100 RMB. Now let me go to my calculator here. So this is my calculator, guys. Now they charged us 7,994 for just 100 RMB. Now let's divide it by the 100 RMB they charged us. Okay, now equal to, you can see this. Can you see this right here? That's what we are buying this RMB at the rate of 79 naira just per RMB. Guys, isn't that cool? Just 79 RMB. So now this is simply because I did not apply the coupon code. If at all I apply the coupon code, guys, I should be getting my RMB around 75 naira or 76 naira. I am very sure concerning that. So it is simply because I don't have available coupon codes. So if you want to see it right here, that if you are to confirm the last transaction that I did, you can see it here that is successful. Okay, and you can see now that they've already messaged me that I have a successful order. So now that is how it works. That is how this website works, guys. So if you have gained one or two things from this video, kindly hit that subscription button, and always do well to comment and like this video. If you haven't, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.